always feel sorry for the Christmas trees when they're put out. I used to feel really sad about it. I don't, it's not as deeply felt these days, but in the past you would see a million trees all put out for the trash, right, like in the same trash week or whatever. And it's like, wow, that's a lot of trees to cut down. So anyway, supposedly my cousins, who mostly grew up in West Palm Beach, Florida, their dad wound up owning a Christmas tree farm, even though he was half Jewish. So I don't know, I was like, are you serious? In like Globe, North Carolina. I always get confused with Rome, Maine, but Globe, North Carolina, some sort of Christmas tree farm. So unless they were totally lying, but that's what it said on his obituary, and that's what I remember my mom talking about. Somehow he got written off a little bit because of a divorce. My aunt and he divorced, and he wasn't that great of a person, according to, all reports. I know my aunt put up with a lot of bad male behavior, I could tell, based on even actions of my cousins. I'm just like, actually, I feel a little bit luckier that I didn't witness that. I experienced different stuff because of a step family situation, the whole 9 yards, but it's like, that is bad. That is incredibly abusive. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, right in front of my eyes are people who still live with this type of abuse. And the abusers either don't know that they're abusive, I don't know what's going on. But no thank you on Florida. They failed at the human test big time. We're talking majorly failed at being humans. Okay, have a